What's up, guys? It's Alex, and today I'm gonna show you 50 tips and tricks of how to become a better Fortnite player. Tip number one is basically, this is a simple trick. So whenever you're trying to make someone's wall, here's demonstration. Shout out to Pixelated because for test dummy. So basically, whenever you make a wall, place a cone and then fall. Sometimes they get stuck to the cone and makes them freak out. And kill them. That is tip number one. Tip number two. Tip number two is when basically you're doing a box, right? Whenever you break a wall, do not forget to put a cone or a ramp in a box, because if they do that, they can just do like this. They can do like this, and then piece you up and destroy you. So that's tip number two. Tip number three. Tip number three is basically when if there's an edit called a peanut butter edit. It's basically like this edit. You stay here, crouch, uncrouch, jump, like that. It's a really OP edit. They can't hit you, but you can hit them when you jump. So it just gives you 3 shots and 3 kills. Tip number 4. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I call it phasing. So basically, you place a ramp right here, break it. Well, you can either break it with a pickaxe, and then it might take a couple of tries, but you can face the wall and kill them like that. Tip number 5 is this cheeky edit a lot of pros use. They basically make a cone like this. They put a ramp and make this edit, and this, and they cannot shoot. Try to shoot me. Try to shoot me. Yeah, they can, but to do 0 damage. It's a very perfect timing. So it's a really good strategy for bad luck. And tip number 6. Tip number 6 is basically a fake L. So basically you edit cone, edit cone. You put a cone in the box if they don't have a cone in their box. And you pick them out by resetting. Tip number 7 is basically when they have no cone, or ramp in the box, and you just go below and you put a cone or a ramp. You can only place a cone, but you place the cone like that, and then boom, put it in the box. Go ahead and Tip number 8, I think. So basically, always put a cone or ramp in your box. Because if you don't, they're gonna put a cone in my box. Like that, and then they're just gonna do that. So make sure you put a cone or a ramp in your box so you don't get pieced. Tip number 9. So basically, if you forget to put a cone in a ramp in a cone or a ramp in a box, and they put a cone and a ramp in a box, put a cone. And you don't have these sides out, so instantly you should get that, or else they're gonna take it. Like usually people try to run away, but usually they take the walls and you go in panic mode and they kill you. So just don't run. Just take the walls and then edit, and then escape, and then you can continue to fight. Tip number 10. So basically, tip number 10 is this tip really useful. Usually players shotgun the wall. Also, you can use for phasing. Like shotgunning. Wait, place it, solve it. Yeah, hold the wall. So I get it low and shotgun. It's a no. Some people may think it's much better for phasing. Maybe not, but you should be shotgun. And after you pickaxe the wall, hold out your shotgun. Do that. And yeah. And those are my 10 tips and tricks for this video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.